Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami penguin. Look, it's really cute. I really like that one because it's got its beak and little tail. I think it's really cool. So you need square paper. If you don't have square paper, you just have to cut it out of normal paper. It doesn't matter which color you use, you can just decide. I'm going to use blue, so I'm going to get it out now. I'm going to use dark blue. So this is the paper I'm going to use. The first step is you have to take this corner here at the bottom and fold it up to the top corner like this. Try to fold it so it's not roundish, but kind of like sharp, like this. After you've done that, you have to open it again. Then you take this corner. So first we use this to fold it up there, and now you're going to use that again to do this. I always like to fold this corner first, because then it's easier to fold the rest. The important thing is that this here shouldn't be here, otherwise you're making a different thing. And you're going to do that at the other side as well. Then you take this corner, because you folded this, now you take that, fold it back and fold this tip to the front again, so it looks something like this. And you do the same at the other side. When you finish that, you take this and fold it along the line again, but not this way, but this way. So here's the line. I'm just folding it. So now it looks like this. I'm taking it like this and folding this to the front, because that's going to be the head. So this is the back, this is the front. You take part of the top, put it to the front like that, and then fold the rest back. So got the head, can arrange it a bit. So now it can already stand and it's got the head. Then you have to fold this, the tail. So you take the corner here, about like this, and do a back fold. It's important that this is sticking out a bit, because that will be the tail of the penguin. When you've arranged it as you wish, you can put it on the table like this, and it'll stand. I've made other ones too, like this one, that's the one I showed you at the start, and I've made this one too. So now it's like a family of penguins. So now that you know it, you can make as many as you like. I hope you enjoyed making them. Bye! I hope you liked this video. I'm going to be making more origami videos, so if you like it, please subscribe to my channel.